Application software is a type of computer program designed to perform specific tasks that help users accomplish their needs, such as writing documents, browsing the internet, editing photos, or playing games.
16 types of application software.
Word processing, CAD, database, imaging, spreadsheet, diagram program, web browser, contact manager. Email client, mathematical, media player, scientific, PIM, multimedia, project management, desktop publishing. Word processing, create and edit text files with place or typewriter functions some programs, elementary desktop publishing. CAD, create drawing for illustration and industrial design. Database, create and edit data records, interactive editing of data, ask questions, summarize, sort, and points reports. Imaging, scan document and paint into TV-like image.
Spreadsheet, create and edit rows and columns of numbers for budget and financial and what is analysis. Diagram program, create drawing interconnected symbols such as network diagrams and organization charts. When symbols are moved, the lines stay connected. Web browser, serve the web, access the largest body of information in the world, shop online, and be entertained.
Contact manager, keep track of prospects' names, address, appointments, similar to a PM but specialized for sales activities.
Email client, organize random information for fast retrieval, include such features as a telephone list with automatic dialing calendar. Mathematical, multimedia adds graphics and video for interactive games, encyclopedias and other references, and educational courses of all kinds. Media player, playback MP3, WMA, AAC, and other audio formats, playback WMV, MPEG, and other video formats. Scientific, analyze real-world events by simulating them on high-speed computers or supercomputers. PIM, playback MP3, WMA, AAC, and other audio formats, playback WM. Multimedia, analyze world events by simulating them on high-speed computers or supercomputers. Project management, keep track of a project and determine the impact of change. The critical path is compute, which monitors all tasks that will slow down the entire project if delayed. Desktop publishing. Desktop publishing merges text and graphics and provide complete control over page layout for printing. 6 types of operation system: Windows, MacOS, Linux, Android, iOS, Unix. Windows. Windows developed by Microsoft, widely used for personal computers and business environments. MacOS, developed by Apple, used on Mac computers. Linux, an open source OS used for servers, desktops, and embedded systems. Android, a mobile OS developed by Google, used on smartphones and tablets. iOS, developed by Apple, used on iPhones and iPads. Unix, a multi-user OS mainly used for servers and workstations.